Friends, let's continue the chapter polynomials. And we have come to a part of this chapter that is factorizing cubic polynomial. I think yesterday this concept was over and we were solving the problems in exercise 2.4, right? In Amog BM is telling in 2.4, whether third main is over? Whether third main is over? Not over. Okay, Sanjana is giving response. In third main, first one was
Second one was
Sir, third main, second
Sir,
one.
third one we
second
should do.
problems
Yes,
were.
sir.
Oh, third one we should do, sir.
yes, sir.
Sir.
Third main, third one.
Second one.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Second
Enough.
one over, third
In
one.
third one, two problems were completed, sir.
Okay, third main, two were completed. Now we are moving to third subquestion. Exercise is 2.4. This is third main in that third subquestion. Look here. This main is related to finding the value of k for the given polynomial. A factor will be given, right? If it is a factor, then what will be the remainder?
Zero.
Zero.
Remainder
Zero.
will be zero.
Zero.
On what basis do you go for taking zero as remainder?
Remainder
By
theorem.
remainder theorem or factor
theorem.
theorem?
Remainder theorem.
Reminder.
Remainder theorem.
Oh no.
Reminder
By factor theorem. No.
Factor theorem.
Listen to me. Wait. We know that if x minus a is a factor of p of x, then remainder nothing but p of a is equal to 0. Or if remainder is equal to 0, nothing but p of a is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor. So these are the two important conditions with respect to factor theorem. And among these two, we are taking one condition, and based on that, we were solving the problems on the third main, given in third main. Now, right, the third sub, it is finding the value of k when x minus 1 is a factor of p of x, which is equal to kx square minus root 2 into x plus 1. They only have given x minus 1 is a factor. Then what will be the remainder?
Zero.
Zero.
0. So hence, first we shall find out the remainder for this polynomial when x minus 1 is a factor. Right. Solution. X minus 1 is a factor. Therefore, its 0 will be 1. Then p of x is given. P of x is kx square minus root 2 into x plus 1. Please go write it with me. Substitute 1 in place of x. P of 1 is equal to k into 1 whole square root 2 into 1 plus 1. Right. This is 1 square is 1. 1 into k. Minus root 2 into 1. It is 1 time root 2 only. Plus 1, which is remainder according to remainder k by remainder theorem. Next, I ask x minus 1 is a factor, the remainder will be
Zero.
0.
R is
Here
equal
only. Remainder is 0. Then where it is according to factor theorem. Factor,
Root 2 minus 1.
yes, it is k minus root 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. K is equal to transfer minus root 2 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 1. Plus 1 to the right hand side, it becomes minus 1. So k is equal to root 2 minus 1. Now we are moving to fourth subquestion. Right. This is P of x is equal to kx square minus 3x plus k. So for this, we have to find out the value of k. Again, as they are given, x minus 1 is a factor. X minus 1 is a factor. So we can write. Observe. I'm going to solve this in another method. Look here. They only have given x minus 1 is a factor of P of x. If x minus 1 is a factor, by factor theorem, remainder, that is P of plus 1 is equal to 0. Next, now we will find out P of 1. P of x is equal to kx square minus 3x plus k. I find out P of 1. P of 1 is equal to k into 1 whole square minus 3 into 1 plus k. Where P of 1 is 0. 0. It's equal to, it is k minus 3 plus k. Then 0 is equal to 2k minus 3. Transfer minus 3 to the left hand side. It becomes plus 3 is equal to 2k. Then k is equal to
3 by 2.
3 by 2. Got it? This is another method. From as given, we use the same. X minus 1 is a factor. Therefore, remainder is P of 1. And that's equal to 0. Next. Then we have taken the given polynomial P of x. On substituting, you get the value of 2k minus 3, equal that to 0. You get k is equal to 3 by 2. Now I'm going to take just one problem from yesterday. Yesterday, one student was asking a question that, sir, if it comes k square, in all, what all the problems we have solved so far? In all those, it was a linear polynomial, right? Or else the degree of the k was 1 only. Now I'm going to take one statement related to find the value of k if the degree of k is 2. Adana ನೀವು a textbook ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. So but you should write just below that note. This I had already given it worksheet as well. Once we shall recall it as it is important. Note, right? Find the value of k if x minus 3 is a factor of k square x cube minus kx square plus 3kx minus k. Again, I'll follow the same. Right with me. It is. They will have given x minus 3 is a factor. Right. X minus 3 is a factor. Then what is the remainder?
0.
0. And
0.
this will also be P of plus 3 इल्लांद्रे ನೀವು x minus 3 equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು x equal to 3 that can also be taken. So then remainder is 0 where this remainder is p of plus 3 which is equal to 0. Now we want p of 3. I take let the given polynomial as p of x. P of x is equal to k square x cube minus kx square plus 3kx minus k. Now where x is 3, p of 3 that's equal to k square into 3 whole cube minus k into 3 whole square plus 3k into k minus k. Now this is equal to here 3 cube. 3
Sir,
cube
3
value-
sir, not K.
3k into x, sir.
Of course.
Sir, last second term.
Sir, last second, sir.
Now 3 cube is 27 into k square. It is 27 k. 3 square is 9. It is 9k. Plus 3k into 3. This is 9k minus k. Plus 9k minus 9k get cancelled. And we also know that p of 3 is 0. So 0 is equal to 27k square minus k. Write the k term on the left hand side. This is 27k square minus k. It is equal to 0. Here, k is common factor. This will be 27k minus 1 is equal to 0. K is equal to 0 and equate 27k minus 1 to the 0. Then k is equal to 1 by 27. So we got two values.
Sir, explain last step, sir.
I'll explain.
Last step, sir.
Okay, I'll explain. Finished, huh? Now observe. Hope that you have understood up to here. Now just I have interchanged LHS and RHS. LHS is 27k square minus k and RHS is to be taken as 0. Then in LHS, you can come to know that in two terms, k is common factor. If you take k as common factor, k into k square, then into 27, it will be 27k square minus k, 1 is k, that's equal to 0. Next, we have the terms in product form so that I'm equating each term to 0. So k is equal to 0. Then 27k minus 1, that is also equal to 0. Hence k will be 1 by 27. Did you understand? Any doubt?
No, sir.
If doubt is there, show like this. If not, in this way. Okay, very good. Now we are moving to fourth main. Fourth main, it is factorization of
Sir, if they ask how to verify,
what?
if they ask how to verify, sir.
Regarding this one,
Yes, sir.
just go for substituting k equal to 1 by 27. If it is a factor, the remainder will be 0. If you substitute 1 by 27 in place of k, this will be equal to 0. Right. Fourth way, factorize. In this way also we have already solved some problems. Factorize.
Sir, there is Disturbance, sir.
Sir, unwanted sound distance.
Nothing to worry, Prashant sir is there. First one, second one, and fourth one. All are over. Right. So, with that, third, now I'm going to take. It is 6x square plus 5x minus 6.
Sir, we should take splitting middle term method, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we
Which
should take
method we
splitting
want
in
to
the middle
follow,
term
sir?
method.
Here, the particular method has not been mentioned. You may go for either splitting the middle term or factor theorem, anyone. Right. I go for splitting the middle term. Here, 6x square plus 5x minus x. First, we should write the given polynomial in standard form. Yes, multiply first and last term. Here is 6 and last term is minus 6. 6 into minus 6 is, it is 36. And the middle term is plus.
9 and minus 4.
Yes. Factors are
9.
9 and 4.
Minus 14.
Minus 4.
Very
Minus.
good. Very good. 9 fours are 36, but 9 plus 4 is 13. We want
Minus 36.
5 plus
Minus.
Minus 36, sir.
1. Yes. Hence,
Minus
right?
36.
Minus 4. Now 9 minus 4 is 5. Right. 6x square, 5x is written as 9x minus 4x minus 6 as it is. This is equal to. Now group them by taking two terms. In the first group, we have 3x as common factor. Then this will be 2x plus 3. Next, in the second group, what is common factor?
Minus 2.
Minus
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
minus
Minus 2 into 2 is minus 4 into x. Then minus
3.
minus 2 3s are 6. Now in the whole statement, we have 2x plus 3 as common factor, remaining 3x minus 2. This is the factorization. And you may write the conclusion as, therefore, the factorization of P of x is 2x plus 3 and into 3x minus 2. Next, we are moving to fifth main. Shall I read this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Giridhar, have you copied? Have you copied or not? Giridhar. Giridhar. Prithvi, have you written? Prithviraj. Now we are moving to fifth main. This fifth main is related to factorization of cubic polynomial. In this exercise, in this main also we have already solved some problems, but I am going to take the problem which was not solved. Right. Fifth main. Factorize. Here, first one is over, second one is over, and fourth one is over. They are solved. First one, second one, and third one are solved. Now we are moving to third, right? It is x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. Let's go for
Yes,
factorizing.
sir.
Dear students, you all know that as it is a cubic polynomial, first we will go for finding one factor. But how do you go for finding one factor?
Multiply first and
Multiply
last term.
first and last term.
By
The first and
by identifying one of the zero, right? One of the zeros. But how do you get that zero?
By factors of.
By
first
factors
and
of
last
20.
coefficient.
Factors of
By
20.
factors of
20.
20.
first
One. The very first step, we will go for multiplying the first constant and the last constant.
last.
Coefficient it is. Right. It is 1 and this is 20. 1 into 20, it is 20. Now let us write the factors of 20. Factors of 20 are, what are the factors? Plus 1,
Plus 1 minus 1. Plus
Plus
2.
Plus 1 minus 2.
Plus 2 minus 2.
S2
Plus
plus
4
or
minus
minus
4.
4.
Plus
it will
4.
not come. Plus 4 minus 4, plus 5 minus 5, plus 10 minus 10, and last one,
4 and 5.
plus 20 minus 20. So these are the possible factors. But among these, one will be, sorry, we are going to identify one, which is the zero of the given polynomial.
It's minus 1.
Right. Let P of x is equal to
Minus
x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. Isn't it? When you observe the terms, you can come to know that all are positive. Hence, the positive factors are not at all factors of or zeros of the given polynomial. Therefore, you can go for trial and error method by taking only
Minus 1.
minus 1, minus 2, minus 4, minus 5, and minus 20. Are it? Whether minus 1 comes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
check mark over. With pencil, you can go for checking. I write minus 1 in place of x. Minus 1 whole cube is
minus 1.
here. Minus 1 whole square plus 1. 1 into 13.
Plus 13.
13
Here minus 1. 32
plus 32
Plus
minus
32.
1. Plus
Plus 20.
20 plus 13, 33. Minus 32
Zero.
minus 1 minus 33. Both get cancelled. You'll get 0. Therefore, minus 1 is the 0 of the given polynomial. Right. That is right. P of minus, which is equal to minus 1 whole cube plus 13 into minus 1 whole square plus 32 into minus 1 plus 20. It is equal to minus 1 plus 13 minus 20 plus this will be 0, which is remainder. So by remainder thing. If remainder is 0, then which is a factor?
X plus 1.
X plus 1.
X plus 1. P of minus 1 is a. Therefore, x plus 1 is a factor. Right. By factor theorem. By factor. Right. X plus 1 is a factor of x plus 1 is a factor of P of X. Highlight that with the box. Now, using this factor, we have to divide the given polynomial. Yes, let's go for dividing the polynomial P of X. Copy it up to here.
So we can
Mohita
also
Vijay.
continue by
Yes,
factorization.
Yes, sir.
Sai Gaurav. Chandana, have you copied? Okay, very good. Then, okay, very good. Sanjana, yes, sir. Have you copied? Okay, now you start dividing. From x plus 1, let us divide the polynomial x cube plus 13x squared plus 32x plus 20.
Sir, quotient is x square plus 12x plus 20.
X squared plus 12x. Very good.
Plus 20.
Here, x squared should be multiplied. X square into x, x cube. X square into 1, 1x square. Change the sign. Minus, minus. First term get cancelled. Next, 13x square minus 1x square. It is 12x square. Carry down remaining. Plus 20. Here 12x square is there. Here is x. Yes, we should multiply 12x. I have already given you the information how to take these terms. You may go for using working column like this. First term is 12x square and their first term is x. Divided and divided. Here it get cancelled, you get 12x. This 12x should be multiplied with both terms. 12x into x is 12x square. 12x into 1 is 12x. Let us change the sign. Minus, minus. First term get 32x minus 12x. 20x plus 20. There is x. Here is 20x. So plus 20. 20 into x, 20x. Plus 21, so 20. Change the sign. Minus, minus. Cancel. 0. Remainder is 0. Now, whatever the quotient we have got, it should be factorized by splitting the middle term. Right.
Sir, x plus 10 and x plus 2 are the factors.
Once you 10. 4.
X
X
plus 10 and x plus 2.
10 and x plus 2.
4 and 3. Sorry, 4 and 5. Or 4 and 3.
Sir, 10 and 2.
10 and 2. 10 and 2 will come.
Yes, sir.
10 and 2.
10 and 2.
X square plus 12x plus 20. Go for splitting the middle term. So multiply first and
1 into
last term.
20.
20. Middle term is 12. And the factors are
10 and 2.
and 10 or 10 and 2. Both are same one. 10 2s are 20. 10 plus 2, 12. Here also. X square plus 2x plus 10x plus 20. Group them by taking two terms and take common factor. In the first group, common factor,
Yes.
and in the second group, 10 is common factor.
10.
It will be x plus 2. In the whole statement, x plus 2 is the common factor. So let me write that here. Is x plus 2. What about the remaining term? Or remaining
X
factors?
plus 10.
10.
X
X
plus
plus 10.
10. Then we all know that P of x is equal to G of x
G of x
Q of
into
x
Q of x.
plus R of x, which is equal to where G of x, already we have got one factor. This is x plus 1 into Q of x. It is x square plus 12x plus 20. Whereas remainder is 0. Next, we have factorized x square plus 12x plus 20. Then we got other two factors. They are x plus 2 and x plus 10. So this is the factorization. Therefore, the factorization is x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 10. Have you written the same? Okay, Chaitanya SR is responding. Amulya CK, Sanvi. Okay, very good.
Sir, how to solve if there is biquadratic?
Oh, yeah, definitely. I'll go for giving you one such example. Yesterday, I had given you such example as a challenging question. And really
Yes, sir.
appreciate some
Yes, sir.
students who have solved them. I think yesterday I had 3 challenging questions, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
3 challenging questions. Just I go for giving you the hint regarding this. You just try your best. Don't go for copying anything. Just observe the book.
Sir, please explain fifth one, sir.
Sir,
Wait,
fifth
wait,
one.
wait. No. I'll write. Just observe. Okay. It can be done in different ways. In that, I'll take the third one. Repeatedly, I've been telling, please don't go for copying in your notebook. Just understand the method by which it can be factorized. The polynomial is x raised to the power 4 plus 4x cubed minus x squared minus 16x minus 12. This is the given polynomial. And what is the degree of this polynomial?
4.
4.
4.
If the degree is 4,
Quadric.
then what type of
Biquadratic.
Quadratic polynomial.
Quadratic.
very good, either biquadratic or
Quadratic.
Quadric.
quadratic polynomial. Both are same. Quadric or biquadratic. And we have learned how to factorize when quadratic polynomial is given and also cubic polynomial. Particularly in cubic polynomial, first we find out one factor. Here also you can do the same. That is multiply first and last term. You get minus 1 and you
Minus
write
12.
factors. Wait. They are 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3, 4 minus 4, 5 won't come, minus 5 will not come, then 6 will come, 6 minus 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 will not come, 10 and minus. These are the factors. You will just go for
10
finding.
comes, sir?
Yes,
Sir,
yes.
how 10, sir?
How 10 comes, sir?
Sir, 12, sir.
How 10 comes?
Now it has come. Observe. Plus 12 minus 12. Observe. First you will go for finding any one factor or any. Let us go for taking an example. Here
Minus 1 will come, sir.
Minus 1 will come.
Wait.
Minus plus 1 will come, sir.
1 is there. Here 1 raised to the power 4 is 1.
Minus 1.
4. Then minus 1. This is minus 16 and this is minus 12. Whether it comes?
No,
No,
sir.
No, will not come. Hence we can go for
Minus.
Minus 1.
minus 1 whole raised to the power 4 is plus 1.
Minus 1.
Minus 1 whole cube is minus 1 into 4 minus 4.
Minus 4.
Minus 1 whole square is plus 1.
Minus 1.
Minus.
Minus 1
Then
plus
Plus 16.
Plus 16.
plus 16 and the
minus 12.
minus
16 and 16 get cancelled.
minus 12 plus 4 minus 4
Minus 16 plus 16.
Plus 16. Plus 16.
minus 16 plus 16 get cancelled.
0.
So minus 1 is the zero of the polynomial. Then what is the factor?
X
X
plus
plus 1.
Plus 1.
X plus
X
1.
plus
One,
one.
sir.
Just observe. Using this x plus 1, you go for dividing the given polynomial. After dividing a polynomial, you get cubic polynomial.
X cube 3x square plus 4x
Right.
minus 12.
You get
Minus
cubic
4.
polynomial, and you have to take this cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Again, find out one factor.
Factor.
After that,
Again, we should divide.
factor, divide this cubic polynomial. You get quadratic polynomial.
Quadratic polynomial.
Factorize this quadratic polynomial. You will get two factors. See, first factor, next second factor, and these two are third and fourth. Total 4 factors. This is
Sir,
one method. Wait,
Sir, what the answers?
wait. You just try that afterwards and give you.
Tried, sir.
This is one method. This is one method. In another method, what we will do is find out 2 factors.
Sir, what?
Already we got one factor. I'm going to find out another factor. Whether it comes for 2.
Yes, sir, it comes.
Does it come for 2? Let us check it out.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Minus 2, sir.
Wait. I'm going to substitute 2 in place of x. 2 to the power 4 is 60.
16.
2 is 8. 8 4s are 20. Next, 2 whole square is 4. This is minus
for the 32, sir.
Sir, 8 for the 32.
30.
For the 32.
Sir, 8 for the 32, sir.
Wait.
32 minus 12.
Second term, sir.
Observe it. 32 minus 32 get cancelled. 16, then minus 4
It
minus
will
4
come,
minus
sir.
16 get cancelled. You get 0.
0.
Sorry, another factor.
X minus 2.
Minus.
Minus, we got second factor. After getting first and second factors, then you go for getting quadratic polynomial. Let me tell you how this is. X plus 1 into x minus 2. X into x, x square, x into 2, minus 2x, 1 into x, 1x, 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Then this is minus x minus 2. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Getting the quadratic polynomial. This quadratic polynomial, x square minus x minus 2. From this, you'll go for y quadratic polynomial. You'll get a quotient. This quotient is quadratic polynomial. Okay, here is quadratic. It is y quadratic. X square into x square bharatti. Did you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Your x raised to the power 4 plus 4x cube minus x square 16x minus 12. Then x square into x square, x raised to the power 4, x square into minus x cube, x square into minus 2, minus 2x square. I guess simplify ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. You will get another quadratic polynomial. And this quotient should be factorized. On factorizing, you will get 2 factors. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Wait.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Have you understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We have factorized, we have multiplied these two. We got a quadratic polynomial. And from this quadratic polynomial, y quadratic polynomial should be divided. Then you continue more by ನೀವು. Then at last, you'll get a quotient. This quotient is, in the previous problem, we used to take the quotient and used to factorize. Taking this quadratic polynomial, you should factorize. After factorization, you will get two factors. Did you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand now? Yes
Sir,
or no?
explain left side
Yes, sir.
last.
Yes, sir.
Sir, left side last step.
Yes, sir. That last
I'll
up.
give you the response. Some of you are sitting like an idol.
Sir, left side last step.
Yes, sir. That explain once again, sir. Sir, left side, sir. Left. Left side, last up, sir. Last.
Once, wait.
Yes, sir.
Listen.
Second.
You'll find out. See, while factorizing the cubic polynomial, we used to find out 1 0, right? ಈಗ quadratic biquadratic polynomial ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ you should find out 2 zeros. Or 2 zeros ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. One is this one and another one is +2. So we got the factors x plus 1 and x minus 2. Now multiply these. Now see that here x into x square. Multiply x with both the terms. X into x square, x into minus 2, minus 2x. Next, multiply 1 with both the terms. 1 into x, 1x, 1 into minus 2, minus 2. X square as it is. Minus 2x plus 1x is minus 1x. Then this is minus 2. Did you understand now? Did you understand?
Sir.
Rachit?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Samarth? Understood? Samarth, can you hear me? I'm not finding charming face which will tell us it is understood. After finding this, from this polynomial, x square minus x minus 2 bandidena, from this you should divide by quadratic. By quadratic you divide by remainder 0 bರುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಡಾಟ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Remainder 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Then you will get a quotient. You have to take this quotient and factorize. After factorization, you will get two factors. We have found out the first two factors, at last other two factors, total 4 factors. That will be the factorization. Follow?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No,
Sir, show last one, sir. Fifth one.
Sir, explain fifth one.
Yes, sir.
if you go for getting detailed information, it won't be considered as a challenging question. I have given you the hint. You should try your best.
Sir, answer is x plus 1, x minus 2, x plus 2, x plus 3.
Correct. Definitely, it is correct one.
Sir, without devising, we can continue by factorizing it, sir.
Factor theorem also, it all depends. Question will be given. Here, challenging question. First one, factorize without using factor theorem. Next, second one, second challenging question. That is, factorize using factor theorem. Clear? And third one, just I have asked you to divide.
Sir, how to factorize without factor theorems? If there is a cubic polynomial.
Shall we go for next concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I want response from your side.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Listen. Whatever the challenging questions I have given, please don't go for neglecting them. Even if you do not get, don't stop. You have to try that till you get the right answer. Because these problems have already been solved by some students. If it is possible to solve from some students means It is also possible for other students also. That is for everybody. But it all depends on how you go for trying or whether you try or not. Based on that only, your solution will be decided. Ivenu bandilla anta sumne kutre, it will be pending only. Dear students, now we are moving to the next. Look here. You are very familiar with some of the statements. I am going to give you one such statement. Sarthak Hardy, let your concentration be here. That the statement is A plus B whole square, which is equal to A square plus B square plus 2A. This can also be written as A square plus B plus 2AB plus B square. Both are one and the same one. Look at here we have got one expression, and here is second expression. What do you call the equality of two algebraic expressions?
Equation.
It is called an equation.
Equation.
Equality of two algebraic expressions. That is called equation. Here we have two parts. In these two parts, I go for taking the first part, that is LHS part, which is A plus B whole square. You may go for choosing values for A and B, any values. I take 1 and 2 because calculation will be simple. I take 1 in place of A and 2 in place of B. Then it will be 1 plus 2 whole square. 1 plus 2 is 3.
3.
And 3 square is
9.
Answer.
9.
Let me go for taking another part. I consider this as RHS. Where RHS is A square plus B square plus 2AB. Let me substitute 1 in place of A and 2 in place of B. It is 2 into 1 into 2. This is equal. 1 square is
1.
1.
Plus 4. Plus 4.
4.
5. Here 2 2s are 4. 4 1s are 4. 5 plus 4 is 9.
9.
Look here. LHS part, that is A plus B whole square is 9. RHS part, A square plus B square plus 2AB, that is also 9. Then can you say that A plus B whole square is exactly equal to A square plus B square?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Not only true for 1 and 2, you may take numbers when you go for checking by taking different numbers also, you get these two are equal. So such mathematical statements which is true for all the values of its variables.
Identity.
Very good. It is called an identity. Identity. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Once
Yes,
I
sir.
repeat
Yes,
this,
sir.
a mathematical statement which is true for all the values of its variables is called an identity. Then you can question me at that. Sir, if I take plus 5x plus 6, it's equal to 0.
Sir, unwanted disturbance, sir.
Okay. Now, I think no problem. Listen. Okay, x square plus 5x plus 6, that's equal to 0, is an equation.
Sir, now also it is there, sir.
Observe. This is an equation. Even a square plus b, sorry, a plus a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is also an equation. But do you consider all equations as identities?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. No.
If identity is an equation, then equation should also be the identity, no? Of course it is, but we have the standard identities. The standard identities. Those standard identities are many, more than 10 are there. Just here I have introduced only one identity. This is a plus b whole square is, this symbol is exactly equal to, if it is identity, we write these 3 lines. If it is an equation, we just write 2 lines, that is equal sign. A plus b whole square is exactly equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is the first identity. Like that, many are there. So before that, once I tell the definition, you can recall with me. Definition of identity is mathematical statement which is true for all the values of its variables is called an identity. And these identities are to be written in general form, and we call them as the standard form of or standard algebraic identities. So let us go for discussing about the identities in the next class, that is on Monday. And tomorrow you have weekly test and timing. And usually morning 7:45 to 9:15. 7:45 to 9:15. And the syllabus is polynomials. Got it? Up to.
Sir, 850.
This is
950, sir.
9:15, 9.15. 7:45 to 9:15. 7:45 a.m. to 9:15. 1 hour 15 minutes. Means the test will be given for 30 marks. 30 marks. Because in this chapter we have come across very important statement. Obviously, it takes the marks should be extended. That is up to 30. Okay. Now it is time up. Let us stop the class. Thank you very much.
Sir, now it's 8:30.
It's 8:30.
30, sir. Time.
30, sir.
Still it is
8:30 sir,
8:30.
time.
Time 8:30, sir, now.
Sir, now
Still it is
time is
8:30, sir.
8:30.
There's
Today.
still half an hour is there.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There's time is left, sir.
Sorry, sir. Roshan sir. Roshan sir.
Let's stop the class.
Roshan sir.
Now time is 8:30 and
Forgotten.
Sir, Prashant sir is left.
Okay. Now let's focus on identities.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಟೈಮು ವಾಚಲ್ಲಿ
Right. Definition of identity. Right. A mathematical statement. A mathematical statement. Which is true for. Which is true for all the values of its variables. A mathematical statement which is true for all the values of its variables is called an identity. And the symbol that we use to represent identity is equal sign with one more line. That is 3 lines. Right. The symbol used to denote an identity is this is. Now, you write citing some important algebraic identities. Some important algebraic identities. Some important algebraic identities. Vitana?
Yes, sir.
Right. First, it is a plus b whole square is exactly equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second one, a minus b whole square is exactly equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third one,
A square minus B square.
wait.
A plus B.
You know it. One thing I'll tell you, left hand side, I'm writing the factors or factorization. On the right hand side, expression. Then third identity, this is a plus b into a minus b, which is exactly equal to, anybody want to tell?
A square minus B
B square minus B square.
Square minus B square.
A square minus b square. Now let me write the fourth identity here. This is
x plus A into x plus B is x square plus
into
x into AB
x plus
AB.
b. These are the identities which you have learnt in your previous class, right? In 7th
Yes,
and
sir.
8th.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Eighth, sir. Yes, sir.
expanded.
After Malika, are you writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. It is x square plus of a plus b into x plus ab. Next, fifth one. Shall I give next one?
Yes, sir.
It is a plus b plus c whole square is exactly equal to, it is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca or 2a.
Sir, a cube plus b cube equals a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab.
That is also an identity, but just I have been introducing which are there in your syllabus. I told you plenty of identities are there. I'm going to give you most important, around 10 to 12 are there, and which are commonly used identities. I've been taking such identities. Rutushri, are you writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Next one, it is a plus b whole cube is exactly equal to
A cube plus B cube.
it is a
Plus
cube
3
plus
A square
Plus
B
B
b
Plus
cube
3
plus
square.
3ab into a
A
plus.
plus b.
And this can also be rewritten. And here again, it is a cube plus b cube. Very simple. You multiply 3ab with both the terms.
3A
3A
square B
square
plus 3AB
plus
A square plus B
A
square.
square b
3AB square.
plus 3ab square.
ab square. 3ab square. Not ab whole square. Written up. Next one. seventh one, which is A minus B whole cube is exactly equal to A cube minus B cube. Just we are changing the sign of it. Minus 3AB into A minus. And this can also be rewritten as minus B cube minus 3AB into A. It is minus 3A square B. Now minus into minus plus
Plus
3AB into B.
AB
3AB square. Next, eighth one. This is also very important. Right. This is A cube plus B cube. A cube plus B cube is exactly equal to A plus B into
2A
A
square
square
plus B
plus
square.
B square minus AB. Earlier one student said that this is the identity. Is it not? I think Chetan is sir. Who had told this?
No, sir, Shreyas.
A cube plus B cube is exactly equal to A plus B into A square plus B square minus A. Next, ninth one. A cube minus B cube is exactly equal to A minus B into A square plus B square plus AB. Written up. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Amrita is responding. Jaknur, Rutushri, Babel. Okay. Lavanya,
completed.
Amit, Salik. Very good. Daksh, Chandana, Dhanush, Sanjana. Finished. Very good. Sanjana G. Next, Disha GP. Finished. Okay. Shreya KR. Finished. Okay. Very good. Very good. Double okay. Chetan sir. Very good work. Listen. Now one simple question. Very simple question. And answer is there in these identities only. Rohan RL, still you are writing. Your teacher explain ಮಾಡುವಾಗ, you have to stop your activities and should listen to us. The question what I am going to ask you, your answer is there in these identities. Just think over it and I'll give you exactly 10 seconds. If you get the answer, tell your name, then you can go for telling the answer. A cube plus B cube is A plus B into A square plus B square minus AB. Dear students, what is the other way of writing A cube plus B? Think of, I'll give you 10 seconds. Don't be
Sir,
hurried.
Chetan Raj Jakanu.
Wait. I think Chetan
Jakanur,
or
sir.
Jaknur. Wait.
Sir, Rachit.
Oh, Rachit, wait. I'll give chance to both.
Sir, Aditya Pranit.
Aditya, okay. Let us take the response from these three students. First chance for Chetan. Jaknur.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B whole cube minus 3AB into A plus B.
Exactly right. Very good. Very good.
Same, sir.
Wait. I'll give chance to Rachit also. Just I'm going to repeat. Jaknur said A cube plus B cube can also be written as here is A cube plus B cube. A plus B whole cube, take this term minus 3AB into A plus B. Followed? Once just here. A cube plus B cube is A plus B whole cube minus 3AB into A plus B. Rachit, is there any other way?
No, sir.
And one more. Who is that? Aditya Anwaikar. Sorry.
Sir, we should transfer A plus B whole cube to right hand side. Otherwise.
Sir,
Any other student want to tell?
sir, we cannot write only A plus B whole.
AB.
No, no, no. A cube plus B cube cannot be written as just A plus B whole cube. Anybody? Here,
Minus of A plus B whole cube.
observe. No. A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B whole cube minus 3A square B minus 3AB square. Terms in a shuffle ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೆಲವರು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ವಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಬೈ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. Aditya Praveen Anwaikar,
Yes, sir.
could you tell expression for A cube minus B cube, other way of writing A cube minus B?
A minus B whole cube plus 3AB into A minus B.
Very good, very good. See that this is one. We want A cube minus B cube. This A cube minus B. Leave this one and take remaining to the left hand. A cube minus B cube is equal to or is exactly equal to A minus B whole cube. Transfer this plus 3AB. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. I won't write it again. Just I'll go for next one. This is very nice. Next one is very nice. Look here. Just go on writing with me also. It is A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. Dear students, you can tell this identity, but I am going to give you the small hint. Shall I? Or if you know, you can tell.
Sir, I will
Sir.
tell.
Anybody? Wait. I'll give chance.
Sir,
Who
I
is
will
ready to
tell.
tell?
I will tell, sir.
Who is ready to tell?
Sir, Jakanur.
Sir, I will.
I will means who will?
Jakanur, sir.
Sir, Rachit. Rachit, sir.
Amog. Wait. Let us give chance to Amog. Amog K or Amog BM? No. Amog K. Very good. Try.
A cube plus B cube plus C cube. A minus A plus B minus C.
Okay.
A square plus B square minus
Very
C
good.
square
Very good.
plus A plus B C.
Small correction.
Lavanya.
Lavanya, yes, tell.
Sir, A plus B minus C whole cube.
No. Yes.
Sir,
Any other?
Sir,
Sir, Rachit.
1 minute. I'm going to give you the hint. If you have solved yesterday's worksheet questions, you will be able to tell.
Sir, Jakanur.
Sir, Sarthak.
Wait. Let me give chance to other students. If not, you can. I'll give 10 seconds for other student to respond.
Sir,
Sir,
Sarthak.
Sir, Aditya.
Wait. If you have done yesterday's worksheet questions, you will be able to tell. I expect from girl side.
Sir,
I expect from
Sir, Chandana.
Chandana. Gedamma.
Sir, A plus B plus C.
Ah,
A square plus B square plus C square.
ah.
plus 3.
Sir, can I
Sir.
Sir,
Sir,
because
Fahim.
Minus AB plus
Ah,
BC plus CB, CA.
okay, I'll go for bit correction in that. Just observe. Please don't write. Observe the way I'm going to write it. Here, AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC is exactly equal to A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. That's all. This is the identity and is also very important in the examination point of view as well. And this has also been given in your textbook in exercise 2.5. I'll quote you that. Very important. Please put star marks. The first 7 are commonly used, most commonly used. And the next, last 3, I put star mark. And the identities which will be used in between some problems. Now, I'm going to give you one more. This is last, still many are there. I'm going to give you one more, which is very important in the examination point of view. 11th one. They say x plus a into x plus b. Swami should look here and write x plus a into x plus b. That has already been written.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Then can you tell the next factor?
X plus C.
X plus C. X
Plus
plus C.
C.
X
Very good.
plus-
These are exactly equal to. Anybody? Sanvi is trying.
Vibha, sir.
Vibha. Here.
Sir,
X
among
cube plus A plus B plus C. X
Ah.
square plus AB plus BC plus CA into X plus ABC.
Okay, this is correct, but bit small correction. It is x cube plus, that is plus on. Here we write
A plus
a
B.
plus
A plus B plus C.
A plus B plus C into
Into
X
okay.
A B
square.
C.
Don't read it as x cube plus a plus b plus c into x square. X cube is separate term. Then x plus, sorry, a plus b plus c into x square. This is separate term. Next.
Plus ABC.
AB is
ABC.
Plus A B C.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ plus of AB plus BC plus CA into X plus ABC if your writing is over, just I'll go for reading the last 2 identities.
Yes, sir, you may.
Just listen to me, and you'll come to know the method of reading the identity. It is afraid. Hope that you can understand English. I told you to stop your activities and just listen to me. 10th identity is to be read as AQ plus BQ plus CQ minus 3ABC is exactly equal to A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus C. This is the, some students will read like this. A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus C. That is not. You have to give pause. Got it? While reading any sentence in English, somewhere else you'll use the symbol called comma. There we have to give little pause. And at last, at the end of the sentence, you'll go for using the dot, which is what it is.
Full stop.
Full
Not
stop.
point.
Full stop.
Very good. It is full stop. Not
Full stop.
it is full stop. That means sentence has been completed.
Full stop.
Once I read this, plus BQ plus CQ minus 3AB. See, you have to read all this at a time. Is exactly equal to. Now I'm giving bit pass. Next, A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus B minus. Next, 11th identity. 11th identity is to be read as X plus A into X plus B into X plus C is exactly equal to X cube plus of A plus B plus C into X square plus of AB plus BC plus CA into X plus ABC. Got it?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. Very good. These are again, I've been reminding you that still many are there. Many identities are there. So only these 11 identities are enough for this academic year. Hope that you have copied this.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Okay. Dear students, do you know why do we go for using identities? I've been asking this question because you have already solved some problems
All
based on
easy.
identities in your previous classes, right?
For easy calculation.
For
Very
easy
good. To
calculation.
make the calculation as simple as possible. Then second thing,
To get the answer.
to get, very good. To get the answer, of course. Good. Then any other?
To list the steps.
Pardon me?
To
To
list the
decrease
steps.
step.
To write your statement in short form.
Reduce the time.
For example, look here.
To do
Here,
experiment in
method.
different ways, sir.
1 minute. Look here. Suppose A plus 2 into A plus 2 is there. Will you go for multiply A into A into 2, 2 into A, 2 into 2?
No, sir.
No, sir.
This can be, it is repeated by 2 times. It can be written as A plus 2
Plus B
whole
whole
square. You can go for using the identity. A square plus B square. B square is 2 plus 2AB. 2 into A into 2. 4A. Got it? To write in shortest form or simplest form, we will use the identities. Not only that, even for finding the value of some numbers or the shortcut method of multiplication also, we will go for using identity. Shreyas Coulombi, even I too will go for taking marker and just keep on rubbing on my nails. Shall I do so? Huh?
No, sir. Sorry, sir.
Concentrate here. Another example. Here, this is 103. I have been taking the exam which you had learned in your previous class. At the 103, it should be multiplied with 97.
Sir, 100 plus 3, 100 minus 3. 100 plus 3, 100 plus 3, 100 minus 3.
300.
You know, direct, instead of going for actual multiplication method, that is, in actual multiplication method, we will multiply 3 with all the terms, next with all the digits. To avoid that, it can also be written as, see, 103 is more than 100. It is 100 plus 97. It is less than 100. It is 100 minus 3. Now this is
A
of the
plus
form
B, A minus B.
A plus B into A minus B. It is A square minus B square. Like this. Clear now? Yes. Now
Yes, sir.
let us go for solving the problems. Right. What examples? What examples? What examples? In that, first, evaluate following. Evaluate each of the following using the suitable identities. Evaluate. Evaluate. Evaluate means finding the value. Evaluate each of the following using the suitable identities. Observe. I take first one. You can also write it. Taking the first sub question. Just whatever the previous problem I've taken, I'll go for taking the same. It is 103 into 97. 103 into 97. First, the given number should be rewritten. See, first number is more than 100. Next one is less than 100. So it is to be written as 103 into
9991.
100 plus 3.
100 plus 3 into
100 minus 3.
100 minus 3. 100 plus 3 is 109. 100 minus 3 is 90. This statement compulsory very well. And it has been given that using the suitable identity. Could you tell this statement is in the form of which identity?
A plus
A
B
square
into
minus
A
B
minus
plus-
B.
A plus
A
B
plus
minus
B minus A minus B.
minus B square.
A plus B into A minus B.
Plus B into A minus B.
Enough. A plus B into A minus. I'll write the identity. It is A plus B into A minus, which is equal to, or is exactly equal to. Just tell that what is A plus B into A minus B?
A square
A
minus
square
B.
minus B square.
Minus B. Now I'm writing 103 as 100 plus 3 and 97 as 100 minus 3. Just I copied as it is. Now you look at the book. Could you tell what is in place of A?
100.
100.
What is in place of B?
3.
3.
And please observe here. Here also A is 100. B is 3, not minus 3. Okay. Right. This is equal. Equal sign. A is 100, so it is 100 whole square minus B square is there. B is 3. So 3 whole square. What is 100 whole square?
10,000.
10,000.
10,000. Here 2 zeros, whole square. It will be 4 zeros. 100 into 100. 100 hundreds are 10,000. Minus 3 square.
9.
9.
9,991.
Very good.
9,991.
Correct. 9,991. Where 103, sorry, 100 plus 3 is 103 and 103 is 97. So therefore, the value of 103 into 97 is 9,991. Hope that you have understood this.
Sir.
Now, whether timer? Whether timer or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
850.
Again,
854.
listen. Again, I'm not going to give you the same instruction. You just recall it regarding tomorrow's test. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Thank you,
Class.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, wait.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, tomorrow will you give algebraic identities also?
Oh, definitely. Up to here. Prashant
Sir,
sir,
show the classroom, sir.
Sir, there is no.
what did you say?
Sir, professor is left.
the classroom, sir.
Classroom,
Sir,
sir.
show
Come
the
to my
classroom.
class.
show the classroom, sir.
Prashant sir,
Sir, show the classroom, sir.
show classroom, sir.
Sir, what, sir?
We want classroom.
Show it once, sir.
Oh, stupid board. Sorry, God.
Please unmute your audio, everyone. Unmute your audio. Sir, mute your audio. Everyone do it fast. Mute your audio.
Sir, not.
Sir, not seeing.
Everyone, please unmute your audio. Mute your audio.
Sir, please show once.
Sir, shall I,
Thank you,
shall I close, sir?
Close it, sir.
Thank
Sir,
you,
shall I
sir.
close?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.